Hailstorms like the one that pounded Calgary and Brooks this summer also battering the bottom line of insurance companies. That's according to the Insurance Bureau of Canada, or IBC, which is now calling on the Alberta government to abandon rate caps for drivers next year.
It's really just crippling the marketplace and really harming consumers, and that's why it's time for the rate cap to be removed. It's been in place for 3 years. This is the longest period of rate caps in any province in Canadian history.
Insurers claim they paid out $1.20 for every dollar charged in premiums in 2024. So the UCP bumped the cap up to a maximum 7.5% hike for good drivers this year. The prospect of an uncapped system now is scary, says this mother of twins.
If my rate goes up more than it currently is, I won't be able to drive.
But IBC says if they can't increase rates, more companies will close up shop or flee Alberta.
And what that means for drivers is they're increasingly unable to get the insurance coverage that they need for their vehicles, certainly in a timely manner, and are forced to go without.
This demand comes amid a major government overhaul of car insurance. The province will move to a Care First model in 2027, which limits the right to sue. The government hopes this will eventually lead to lower premiums. Alberta's private system has the highest premiums in Western Canada, according to a recent report for the government. IBC says that's largely due to lawsuits, and the new system should help lower rates to a point. But some drivers say they don't buy into insurance industry claims that there's no profit to be made in Alberta right now.
The bigger ones are still making money. Otherwise, they wouldn't be here, and we would have had a mass exodus. So if we have 4 small companies say they can't make it go out, then they need to check their business plan.
I think there should be caps on what you can be charged and what you can be paid. And I think more investigation needs to be done on insurance fraud.
On Tuesday, the Premier called the 7.5% cap very generous to insurers.
Well, I think most people who are good drivers, who drive the same car, don't have accidents and don't get tickets, don't expect to see double-digit increases in their insurance rates.
Danielle Smith said she is not interested in public insurance because it would cost $3 to $4 billion and take several years to establish. She called her government's Care First model a compromise, balancing suing rights and the promise of lower rates. From Edmonton, Sean Amato, City News.